The casket of the Grand Chief Sir Michael Somare was brought here this morning to the Provincial Assembly House to lie in state. The casket was escorted by pallbearers from the PNG Defence Force. It was received by the Speaker and members of the Assembly. A guard of honor was accorded to the Grand Chief Sir Michael Somare by the Papua New Guinea Defence Force before his casket was received by the Speaker and members of the Assembly. The pallbearers proceeded with the casket into the Provincial House of Assembly. For the last time, he lays inside the house he built for his people, the house he served for 49 years. Standing in silence, each member feels they owe him for the seat they now occupy, for the democratic processes that allowed people to choose them, simply for the freedom. The House of Assembly meeting commenced, chaired by the East Sepik Governor Alan Bird. Governor for West Sepik, Tony Wowo, was a part of the Assembly meeting.
Heavy ibungim papa, bibla masanap. Heavy no bungim, heavy bungim bibla East Sepik, or West Sepik, bibla Sepik, East Sepik sago, Johnny bibla. Lokarab heavy. The heavy bungim East Sepik, you miss a sanap, lokarab heavy want them together. So this like an passing, both provinces, you must hold him, unite you may together. Though so Quilla blame me go, we will be there. And we will advise our daughters, our sons, our granddaughters and sons in the future that we will work together, no matter what.
Members of the House of Assembly were each given an opportunity to pay tribute to the Grand Chief.
Me, Paulo, you, na misalo timiyo, na you go rest for peace. Thank you.
With the crowd building up at the stadium for the afternoon program, Governor Alan Bird closed the meeting with his closing remarks.
This assembly is proud true lo how you play walk, lo look save, lo pride blo yubla, quila blo yubla, sukundimi blo yubla mi pundan. Mi play proud long. Register him look save go lo yubla young people belong East na West Sepik. Especially lo wiwek, how you play walk, you play no ask him no money, you play bilas him place. Now you play look out him all flag, you play sanap him flag, blow all get a province. Now you play look out him stop, he go too light. Lo last 18 days, also governor blow you play bell blow me brook, me proud lo you play.
After 4 hours, the casket left the House of Assembly for the Sir Michael Somare Stadium, where a packed crowd waited for the casket. The Grand Chief Sir Michael Somare's casket was brought here to the Sir Michael Somare Stadium for the public to pay their last respect and for the night program to commence. Shamin Poreambeb, National EMTV News, Wewak.